Ooh, expected ship date is 9 months out. Or 8 months out. Yikes. Yikes. Next segment. Let's go over some sites. Bro. Alright. 2:27 p.m. today, Bradish B announces that he just got into Cornell with his 1500 plus SAT score. Eat. That's sick. That's sick. Awesome job, dude. Awesome job. Proud moments. Bro, like, how cool is it that one of my buds on stream gets into Cornell University, one of the Ivy Leagues? That's sick. All right. So let's take a look at... What's up, Kang? How you doing? Let's take a look at some fun new stuff on Kbdfans. Oh, that space cable, though. We want it. You know we want it. That's 60 bucks. 60 bucks. It should not be 60 bucks, but it should be 60 bucks. It's tough to say. Handmade custom mechanical USB-C cable. Dang, man. Kind of want it, kind of don't. Precision 33-in-1 magnetic shooter toolkit. I like my WoW stick better, dude. Always. Yo, we finally figured out what those things were for my my 5-degree case. They are enclosures to block the wind key and other stuff, so that's kind of cool. All right. So apparently they're introducing their Kbd7 Lite mechanical keyboard, which sold out. Or maybe it's not. Has it not? Yeah, it sold out. Because it's a polycarb case, I'm assuming that they pre-ordered injection molds. Yo, the big middle finger here. That was awesome. It's ABS plastic, okay. Later, dude. That's cool. That's cool. I do want to get a KBD67 eventually. It's a pretty sick board. Alright. Let's check new arrivals. So these are the new rows. Ooh, this key set looks cool. It's a little pricey though. So I have a Robbins GMK Aurora Polaris base kit. Oh, it's 145. I was gonna say. I do kind of want it. I think this would go well with. I have a Robbins blue coming in. Cool. All right, here we go. Back. So here's the new keyboard. I might be getting it. I don't know. It's called the Boop. It's the Boop keyboard. I feel like I should accent it. If I get this, I should accent it towards raise, right? Boop gaskets. I don't know why they call it the Boop. It's the Bip Boop. Beep Boop. There's a lot of different colors too. And if you get the aluminum plate, it's cheaper. But, you know, we go for brass plates here, right? FR4, what's FR4? I think that's aluminum too. Oh, it's a laminate polycarb composite material. Probably carbon fiber. We get the hot swap version? This could be our new hot swap board, but I don't know. It's pretty sick. Oh, damn. Rose gold though? Rose gold though blocks one of the keys, and I don't know why it does this. The E-white looks kind of cool too. Purple and E-white look cool. Blue is the same color. I think it's the deep blue that this one is. Ink black polycarb is kind of cool too. Here we're going to base it off of Ryzen. Yeah, it's called the Boop keyboard, right? So I get this the E yellow, right? And then I could find like a keycap set. Maybe like this keycap set would go well with it, or something like this maybe. Even the carbon would go well. Or get a custom set too. Like I could find a custom set. This is Suma's keycap set. That would go okay with it. I don't know. What's Raze's colors? So she has a lot of like turquoises and reds, oranges, blues. So a couple of things I could do is I could get instead of getting the E orange, I could go for blue. And then get like orange keycaps like these. Or these. But yeah, there's a couple of cyan. So it's a thought. It's a thought. All right, next site, Novel Keys LLC. Let's see here. Oh no. Okay, good. I was scared that I forgot to unmute it. Definitely we're gonna get the NK65 Olivia edition. I think this goes on for a while. With NK Silk Rosette switches with custom rose gold string. These are translucent pink with a black stem and factory lubed with 205 grade 0. The DSS double shot ABS keycaps. Hot swap PCB. Will run until next week. Okay. Man, for 200. So I wanted to get the light version. I want this version. I kind of like the keycaps, but actually now that I think about it, I'm more into that one. That set looks way better. Here's the two different sets. Like, together, I like the bottom set over the light, but with the case. The problem is I wish I could get these keycaps with this case, but it just won't let me. So it's 230 right now. It comes with a black coiled USB-C cable and switches. Plate mount stabs, so we might have to swap that out. Does it show? Yeah, I don't think it lets you know. We have to see if we can, if the PCB allows for. But yeah. There's the updates page. Oh, this is just other stuff. What's live right now? Ooh, expected ship date is 9 months out. Or 8 months out. Yikes. Yikes. Just one of those things, though. I might get one, though. Alright, so... Oh, actually more stuff on NK. So, Novel Keys is pretty solid. They have a lot of cool stuff. I might get this desk pad. This is a group buy. When is ship dates? One's on January 15th. This will ship out April, May. Jeez. You'd think that they get it done quicker than that. But that's a cool keycap set too. Oh. They have another NK65 V2 coming out. Ooh. Cold USB cable. So it just doesn't come with switches. This is another thought too. Oh, the E-White does kind of look good. How much does the E-White compare? It's $10 more. Oof, we might have to go that, dude. Yes. Wants to spend $500 right now. Desk pads. Some of these new group buy desk pads are kind of cool. NK is really good for getting stuff. Like I sometimes get my Direct stabs here. I got switch pullers from here. Also the switch openers. This is a pretty sick switch opener here. So this is 2 switch openers. And you can do MX switches and KL switches. So they also have a really good set of switches. They have a ton of switches, and I'm thinking about getting various ones. The Pro switches look pretty good. This one honestly is kind of funny. So it is clicky, with 100-gram operation. That means like you have to press really hard. And they're in stock. They're only $20 too. Yellow Gaterons are pretty solid. The greens are okay for clickies. I think they're better than the blues. Another one that I really want to hit up. I want to check out this Zeal PC pack. So it comes with Zelios, Xylants, and Telio and Helio. I also really want to check out some of the Gateron inks. I want to check out the Gateron inks. Let's see, they got inks, silent ink. Kangaroo, it looks interesting. So the Kangaroo is this one here. It is a tactile, but with a very light operating force. So you don't have to press much. So that's interesting. And then last switch that I want to check out is the NK Blueberry. It's also tactile, 70 gram operating. So you have to press a little bit harder. I like that, but it has a shorter travel distance. So I don't know, dude. I want it, but it's like 50 bucks. That's pretty much everything from, wait, what's the group, live group buys? The Serica and the Recall look cool. Definitely the NK65 Olivia edition. If I get this, I guess I don't need the other NK65, right? So. Oh yeah, Teja just came out with a new thing. I probably will get the black one. It's a nice pad. Yikes. So this image was not output as a proper image. That's why you have a lot of this down here. When you have like artifacting, this is called artifacting here, where you see all the different colors. That means it's probably like a JPEG and not lossless. But yeah. Yikes. Does it happen on all of theirs? Yeah, it does happen on quite a few of theirs. See all the artifacting there. All right, so I have an order coming in for this. I just bought this stem holder. I want to see if it's better than the one I have. It probably is better. I've seen other people use it. It looks pretty... yeah, it looks pretty solid. Do they have any group buys? Nope. I'm thinking about buying a PreAmp Rev 2 Ergo as well, just to try to make my own case. I want to try to get into cases. Their keycaps are pretty good. Their DSAs, DSA profile. I have the same loop station, but that's it. I'm also getting some T1 tactile switches to try out different materials. I'm also considering getting some alpacas. Alpaca linears are supposed to be pretty good. All right, we are on our last site here. So One Up Keyboards kind of updated their site since I visited. This is a new site here, and I have a whole list of sites here which I'll throw in. I created a link. I think it's like keep sites bit.ly, but yeah. Let's see what they have. DIY universals. I don't think they have anything in right now. Oh, I've never tried Topers before, but I've heard they're good too. HHKB. Let's see what switches they have available. Panda Linears. Aqua Xylence. I don't even know what this is. Oh, Resilios. Temu. Phoenix. This is cool. A lot of Zeal stuff here. 40% kit. Yo, I would love to make a 40% board though, I'm not gonna lie. Do they have coiled cables? They don't have aviator cables. Ah. What kind of bases do they have? Yeah, they got some really cheap 60%. They might be low profiles though. Where's one up from? I don't know much about one up. Oh, what? Huh? Is there like an About Us link? Do they not have an About Us link? Home. Oh, this is their home. Let's check their news. US based maybe. It's probably like a dropshipper. But yeah. All right. That is it. More sites here. We'll be visiting them on Fridays. I'm thinking on Fridays we're going to do this type of content.